Welcome back, everyone. Today's lesson, we're taking a look at some vocabulary words from Dr. Gwen Gonzalez's picture game. Speaking of Dr. Gwen Gonzalez, the first word is Iao. Iao. And that is Dr. Gwen Gonzalez herself. And Iao in Garifuna is picture. Yeah. Fanidira. Fanidira. Flag. Next, Sindiri. Sindiri. Self-explanatory. Stuff you find on the beach. Something you don't really want to see. Gumuleli. Gumuleli. Which is smoke. And you know the saying, where there's smoke, there's watu. 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 It's fire. We have dubu. Dubu. Stone or rock. We have dashiki. Dashiki. Or simisi. Simisi. Which is a shirt. After all this rain, sometimes we have fuludu. Fuludu. Obviously, it's flood. And one of my favorite foods in the whole wide world. Faluma. Faluma. You've been following, you know how I get down with this coconut. Last, we have idewese. Idewese. And that is gift.